My glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so excited to be back today because if you are new around here, you might not know, but we have been traveling for the past week or so. We went back to Romania to visit our families. We haven't seen them in 2 years, so it was really nice to see them. But I'm not going to lie, I am glad to be back and just kind of get back into the routine. I'm someone who really thrives on a routine, so I'm just really glad to get back into it. So today I just kind of want to go and spruce around the home. I want to declutter a little bit because I've got a few drawers downstairs, like our TV stand and the toys. I just feel like it's gotten to that point where it gets overwhelming and I want to declutter and take some things out. I think I'm going to get rid of some toys and donate a few because it was my son's birthday, so he turned 4 last week. So obviously he got a few presents and I just feel like there's more toys now, so I need to kind of rotate a bit and get rid of a few of them that he doesn't really play with anymore. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you along, get some stuff done around the home. I did unpack a lot of things at the weekend when we arrived because when we arrive, I usually wanted to just get it done, just take everything out of the luggage and do laundry. I've still got a bunch of laundry to do, but yeah, so I just finished making my bed, which you guys saw. So yeah, I'll take you along to kind of spruce with me today. Just quick before we get into all of the cleaning, I wanted to mention some of my jewelry pieces today because I am working with Ana Luisa on this video, so they are sponsoring part of this video and I'm so excited about it because if you guys have been here for a while, then you know I have been working with them for I think over a year now, and I've got quite a few of their jewelry pieces and they're just so beautiful. Like these necklaces I think I've had for over a year and I just wear them so much. I think I wear this one almost every single day and the mama one as well. I just love them so much. So I am working with them again for this video and I wanted to share with you the pieces that I chose for today. So the first thing that I picked were these earrings. So I will try to do a bit of a close-up for you guys. I'm not sure if you can tell, but they are just tiny little pearl earrings. So that is what they look like. They are just so cute and dainty. If you guys know me, I love pearls. I love pearl earrings. I wear them all the time. So my usual pearl earrings are quite like a bit larger. So I really liked these because they're just tiny for when you want, you know, a bit of something, but not like too in your face. So I really loved these little pearl earrings. I was so happy to see them on their website, and I got a couple of more pieces and I just wanted to show you the package that they come in because I think it's so nice. They just sent this the tiniest little package and they've got 3 pieces of jewelry in there. So I love that they're trying to be more sustainable and they're always, you know, trying to be eco-friendly and just look after the environment as much as possible. So the other pieces that I picked were 2 bracelets, which I already have 1 bracelet from Ana Luisa and I love it so much. So I wanted to get a couple more just to kind of have a stack of them, if you know what I mean. I kind of like that layered look for bracelets, for necklaces, obviously. So that's what I went for. So let me just pop this on. Okay, so here is the first bracelet. How cute is that? It kind of looks like it's braided a bit. So beautiful. Okay, and I've popped the second one on, so it's kind of got 2 little rings here that are, you know, kind of tied together. Such a dainty piece and so beautiful. I just love these pieces of jewelry and I really like how you can kind of layer them. For jewelry pieces that look amazing and, you know, kind of more luxury, but they're more on the affordable side, if you know what I mean. So I always look for that. You guys probably already know. So yeah, I love these. I think they would be really good for a gift. If you're planning for like the holidays maybe. And they're currently running their biggest sale of the year because, as you guys know, Black Friday is coming up, so they've got 20% off anything on their website. And you can also use my discount code, which is Madeline 10, and I will link my link down below, so you can just click on that and go get some jewelry for a discount if you guys are interested in that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of the pieces that I picked, and let's go ahead and get started with the cleaning.
Far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never
So upstairs is pretty much done. I just made the beds and kind of tidied a bit, and excuse the noise if you can hear that. I've got the washing on. I just feel like I've got so many loads of laundry to catch up on. So I just brought these 2 boxes down here. Those are just some toys that Victor had up in his room, so we kind of do toy rotation, so I keep some in there. I've also got a few boxes in the garage, so I brought those out. Actually, my husband brought those out. So I've got this box which has a few toys in there, and then this one's empty. So I think I'm gonna store a few things in here in the garage. So my plan right now is, first of all, I'm just going to tidy up this mess, and then I'm going to go through his toys in here, and then also his toys in there, and kind of take everything out, and kind of just take everything out and see what he's playing with, what he's not playing with anymore. And I'm going to put some in the toy rotation boxes in the garage that are going to stay there for a while. So yeah, that's the plan. I just feel like I need to declutter this because those white baskets there are just full to the brim with toys now, and I feel like he doesn't play with all of them, obviously, so I need to just kind of declutter a bit, because he just takes one of those baskets sometimes and he just pours it on the floor. And I feel like now that he's gotten older, a lot of his toys have like all these tiny pieces, and it just takes forever to tidy all of them up. So yeah, I feel like I just need to clear this out. So let's go ahead and do that.
Come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't.
Okay, so here's the progress so far. So I've emptied out these 2, and that one was already empty, so I've started putting some things in there. That one I've filled with some toys that he doesn't really play with anymore, or at least for now. So I'm just going to store them in the garage and maybe take them out another time. These I'm going to keep because she's still playing with those. These I'm going to put away. I'm just looking for the other bit from this set that went with it. And then here I want to take everything out of those baskets. So these 2 are kind of our catch-all baskets. So we actually leave the house quite a bit through the back door. So I have in here a lot of things like hats. I have sunscreen from when it was summer, and yeah, just a bunch of random things. So I want to clear that out. I've got these drawers which desperately need a clean. This is just kind of our charge drawer, and as you can see, it's got quite a bit of like dust in there and dirt. I have no idea how that got in there, and this is just such a random drawer. I need to take everything out and clear it. And then in here I've kind of started putting his games, and he's got the Lego sets there, so I want to kind of organize them a bit better and take these random things out. So that's what I'm going to do now, just kind of tackle this section.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break on the interlay. 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. You wanted her shit's off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by fourth. She's on the job, but she's staying home. Wilshire Boulevard, old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel no, but he's not the one who goes away. That ain't enough to turn the page. No, 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 no. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's not the one thing. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No, you should've known it's too late. Should've known it's too late. Yeah.
Okay guys, we are making progress. So this part, the TV stand, is pretty much done. I've decluttered, tidied up. I've got a few things that need to go in the bin there, and then I've got these toys right here that I just need to put away because he's still playing with those. Now I'm going to tackle these baskets and then also his play kitchen. So my plan is to take everything out, but I think this time, instead of taking it all out at once, I'm just going to do one basket at a time because I feel like it might be a bit less overwhelming. So that's my plan. I'm just going to go through all of these, see what we still play with, what he doesn't play with anymore, and yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's have a look. I think this one is just those plastic train tracks, so I'm going to leave all of these like this because he still plays a ton with these. Then here he's got the wooden train tracks, which are also going to stay. And then in here we've got some random bits, so I'm going to take this out and declutter it. And then let's have a look. So this one, yeah, this one needs a declutter as well. It's just like those baskets where everything gets thrown in there. Like this one doesn't belong here, and it just, you know, it's just a whole bunch of random things that you don't even know what's in there anymore. Like this one needs a declutter. I think this one is fine. I'm just gonna move it here, but this one's fine. It's just his like toy cars and things like that. He plays a ton with these. Then this one needs a declutter, and I'm pretty sure the one on the bottom as well. So let's get this one out too. Okay, so now I'm going to go through each of these one by one and see what we keep, what we are putting away, and then those three will stay like that. I also need to go through all of those as well, but yeah, that's the plan.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
I can't believe I just got that done. So all these baskets are now decluttered. I also did the TV stand as you saw, so I'm really pleased with what I got done today. I want to hoover, but I think I'm going to do that later because it will be time to go pick up Victor from preschool soon. So yeah, I think I'm gonna hoover a bit later, and that will be it for me today. So this toy declutter was something I wanted to do for such a long time. So glad that I finally got it done. And yeah, I do hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to check out the discount code for Ana Luisa jewelry to get 10% off. My code is Madeline 10 again. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.